Hello traders, the title of the video is how to take the price action technical trading to the next level as fast as possible. Alright, how to take the price action technical trading to the next level as fast as possible. Alright, so you have been using the price action for some time. You want to take it to the next level as fast as possible to improve a technical trading decisions. All right. So what are we looking for? Some trader may say to me, George, it's the same thing that you are repackaging. And I will say to you, stay with us and watch the full length for this tutorial so you may understand more, because I will clarify, okay, what I'm about to discuss as we are going along. All right. So stay with us, please. All right. So we are looking for a specific price level, either the price going vertical. The vertical price progression is a distortion to a certain degree, but that's what we are looking for. And then price pull back, all right, gently pull back, not too much. We don't want it to go below the 50% and 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level of this move up. So a pullback, a gentle pullback, and then price start going up, okay. So if the bullish move after the pullback is shorter in length and also in magnitude in comparison to the sharp move up, we have an overbought condition. Now, you may say, George, I know this already. Stay with us as I'm trying to explain this. You want a common set trend line here, the last move up, because how do you know that it's shorter than this one? The price must start coming down, which means it will break at least the common set trend line, okay, along this move up. But the exercise that we are doing here, we are comparing the length and the magnitude of this price move to the prior bullish move. Now, earlier way traders are know this because we know that the third earlier way is very often extended, so it's the longest move. So when we have, okay, a strong bullish move, all right, and we have an invitation to buy, which means price pulling back, common set trend line is kaput, and people price are buying, and price breaks above the prior high, all right, you see here. If the following bullish move is shorter in length and also in magnitude to the prior bullish move, we will expect, okay, a reversal. That's what we are talking about here. But what I want you to do, because you already know it, if you already know it, that's great. You want to combine what I've just said to you now with a price target. Why? That's a very good question. Because when we are trading, we want to use what we call something that is true in the financial market. Something that is true in the financial market is this, which I said 100 times before, is that no financial instrument, okay, will go up or down for no reason. They all going up or down to a specific price target level. So when you're applying this strategy, all right, stay with us because I'm going to talk about this one now, one example and also another example here. When a financial instrument is going up or down, it's going to a specific target level. Therefore, if you're applying this strategy that I'm discussing with you today, all right, you want to combine it with a price. You want to combine it with the profit target level. Another scenario, instead of the price going vertical before pulling back, the price will go up in a normal way, which means going up in a diagonal move. That's the normal progression, and then in pullback. When you see the diagonal move and that pullback, and then the price going up like this, you compare it. If you want to sell here, be very careful. What I'm saying here is that if we have a vertical price move and this specific pattern, this is more reliable in comparison to the normal price progression. I'm not saying that the normal price progression plus an invitation to buy like this with that specific trading setup is not valid, but when we are trading this one, we need to be more careful. In all cases, when the price breaks the common set trend line here, in order to control the risk, draw an horizontal line, separate to bullish signal above and prior to bearish signal below, and implement a top-down trading method. You will do that here and also here. Similarly, in a downtrend, you may see a vertical move down, then an invitation to sell. How do you know? If the common set trend line along this move support, the price start coming down. Okay. The price break below the prior low. This is critical for us. And form the inverted pattern that we have discussed it already, which means the common set trend line is coupled here, and the price breaks above that common set trend line. Alright, we compare the length and the magnitude of this last bearish move to the prior vertical bearish move. Alright, if that is the case, this is shorter in length and magnitude in comparison to this one. We have a bullish reversal. This is more reliable to the normal price progression, which means price goes down like this in a diagonal move. And then we have this. And then we have this. And then the common set is kaput and the price starts changing direction right here. So this is also has something to do with the minimum price move is free. But here we are using a vertical price move, price pullback, and so on. But I told you that, okay, in order to perfect or to empower, can we use that word? This trading strategy, one must combine it with, the price target. So, looking at this stock today, the stock we are using is American Home for Rent. The EPIC is AMH. So that particular pattern is in place, and I'm going to combine with a price target, and you will tell me at the end of the tutorial in the comment section what you think of it. Alright. Remember, this is a trading setup. We must now use a top-down trading method to trade. Can you see a vertical price move? I can see one. If you disagree, let us know in the comment section, and we can buy for you. Glasses, alright. This to make you laugh a bit, alright? If you're wearing glasses, that's okay, alright? Nothing wrong with that. So this is the vertical price move. Now we have a pullback. Yes or no? This is the pullback. Common setting is kaput. Now it start going up. Okay? Do you agree? And then we have another move up. What are we looking for? We want this common setting is kaput. That's how we know. Now this one is kaput. Carefully, we have the monthly chart here. It's not beautiful. The bullish trade. So you see, break below that quarter. This one retest it here on the edge, and they are trying to sell it now using a top-down trading method. Now you can see that the price is not going down very fast as such. We just flow with the price. We see a trading setup, we implement a top-down trading method. If the signal fail, come out. Sometimes the signal may fail a few times or even once before the price will come down. Sometimes the price will not even go down. After you see that, it may not even go down, which means it's very bullish, or a higher degree, price structure is controlling this price structure. Therefore, you will go to the higher time frame to look what's happening. That's what usually takes place. Don't want to go into earlier wave count. So here we have it now, okay? So here we will implement a top-down trading method. The monthly chart is the trading setup. The daily chart will be for the signal, and the hourly time frame for the entry. If you're on a 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, 3-minute time frame, or 5-minute time frame. If you're a daily chart for the trading setup, hourly time frame for the signal, 10-minute time frame for the entry, and so on and so on. So this is one example here. If you look at the RSI period 14, you can see that the RSI is now overbought, is pulling back, indicating to us that the momentum is diminishing. Now, if the RSI is declining, which we talk about at Day Pro Trader YouTube channel, one will now look for bearish trading setup. If there is one. If there is no one, why don't force it? So, talking about combining this with profit target, we have this channel here. You say, John, why don't you put this line at the top here? If you did ask that question, that's a very important question. The reason why I did not put it all the way here is because what has happened below here. Now you can see that as the primary below this support level using market geometry, traders set a target here. You see, it's always going to a target level. Remember that. It doesn't go down or up for no reason. So there was a target here. So let's put a line there. And you understand why I did not put it there. It's because of that, okay? The red set a target here. So the question I will ask, what measuring stick did trader use to bring the price to this point? Yeah, this one. That's why they take the profit. So it is normal for me when I'm drawing this horizontal line here to use the same measuring stick instead of using a different one all the way up here. So let's begin the projection of our channel. It's about the profit target. So as the price breaks above that channel, they will set a target here. We'll place a vertical line there. This is about market geometry using the profit target level. And we want to combine the discussion that we are this specific price structure with the profit target. All right, that's what I'm doing very fast. Hopefully, I'll stay within my time frame, my time limit today. Sometimes you want a video to be short, but you end up being long. So this is there is a target here, yes or no? By projecting that channel multiple times, there is a target there. So you see, vertical price move, pullback, price structure, we have a target in that zone. So combine that price structure with a profit target. Whether it's a vertical move or normal price move, and this specific price structure allow the common center line to be broken, control the trend, the price can go up or down, draw this line prior to bullish signal above, prior to bearish signal below, use the different time frame trading method to trade it. If the signal fail, come out. Pay attention to the economy news, the fundamental, and align your trading strategy with the market, which is the S&P 500 itself. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. This will conclude our discussion today about how to take the price action technical trading to the next level as fast as possible. Was it fast enough for you? If you find this video truly useful, let us know by giving us the thumbs up. If you think that this is another useless repackaging of blah 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 blah, mark it down, and that will put us under pressure to improve our next recording. If you think that this is an essential tutorial, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. You need to understand what is happening here. We are comparing the first price progression to the second one. So we are comparing in length and also magnitude. People who bought it here were quite enthusiastic to buy. They push it all the way up here. Now here was another invitation to buy, but they are not as enthusiastic as they were before to buy. Why? Now we examine what is taking place here. And if we see that they are no more interested to buy, it means that they want to take some profit, and also some bearish trader may join it. The opposite is also true in a downtrend. They were selling before, they were quite enthusiastic to sell, price dropped down big time, then there was an invitation to sell, but the second seller were not as strong as the first one. What is happening? We want to investigate. That's why we use a profit target, and we use a top-down trading method to control the trade. There's no magic formula in the financial market. If you like this tutorial and you want to use it, please use a demo account. Practice. This is the spirit of education on YouTube. Master it first before going live, especially if you are a new trader. You will encounter different scenarios, different challenges. A trade may fail. Ask a question in the comment section, and we go back again to the drawing board. This is what we are doing on YouTube. All right? Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders, talking about how to take the price action technical trading to the next level as fast as possible. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.